Hi there, welcome to my video. My name is Gamu and this is Africana Diary. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little different to finish off this series on journaling, and I'm going to plan with you guys. So all you need to do is grab a journal and plan with me. So basically how this is going to work, I'm going to take you through what I do at the end of every month or right at the beginning of each month, where I just kind of plan out the month that's coming. It's a very rough sketch because I don't like to put myself in a box or have solid lines around everything. You know, I like to be super flexible, but I like to have a plan and to just have a sense of direction. So I will take you through some journaling prompts that I use, and I will actually journal with you guys now. We'll put a timer on the screen and you guys can also then do the exercise as I do it. So yeah, let's get started. So our first prompts are going to be looking back prompts. So basically what I do here is look back at the previous month and, you know, just try to see what I have learned, what I'm grateful for, where I could improve and that sort of thing. So I'm going to put up the prompts on the screen now so that you guys can also see them. And then I'm going to put a timer so that we can all journal for 5 minutes using these prompts. The next part of our journaling is going to be our futuristic journaling. So here, basically what we're doing is thinking of how we would like November to go. So this is a very rough sketch of how you would like to envision your November to be. So something that I'm currently wanting to incorporate more of is a solid morning routine that works. So I've tried out different things, and I feel like I've kind of settled into one that does work. So that's going to be one of my futuristic journals, where I'm going to write what my ideal morning routine will look like. And I'm also going to write the general kind of futuristic prompt that I like to use, which is I am so happy now that. So this is quite nice for you to write maybe what your goals or what you'd like to accomplish as if you have already done it. So yeah, those are the two prompts that I'm going to use. Feel free to add anything else that is unique to your own situation during this prompt. So I'm going to do the same thing, put up the prompts on the screen and set the timer. So now that we have a rough idea of how we want November to go, we're going to put in the action plan, which I think is the most important part of planning. So as I said at the beginning of this video, this process is just a very rough sketch outline of how I plan, and then at the beginning of every week, then I go into detail for each day, putting down what I'm actually going to do each day. But it gives me a good overall picture of what I would like to accomplish, my goals, and just the tasks that I have to do, just giving me a good mind map of everything that's ahead of me, at least just for the coming month. So it's always a good place to start when you're planning for the month to come. So I'm going to now put the journaling prompts for the action steps on the screen, as well as a timer for us to journal together. So let's do it. Thank you so much for joining me for this planning session. I really do hope you took the time to also plan as I was planning. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you start to do it at the beginning of every month. I've really seen that it has changed how I do things, and it has helped me to just have more clarity and to be on top of everything that I need to do. So give it a shot and see how it works out for you. Until next week, bye.